I never imagined myself, never had an idea how to operate a computer or on how to open it. But now, there's a lot of changes. I can create a website, social media marketing, how to use a Microsoft, PowerPoint, MS Word, Excel, and creating a graphic designs that I can apply for my work as a freelancer in the future.
Thank you so much to Daddy God and to all the organizations who made this free program possible. Thank you to the ICT, DTI, ILO, Tech4ED, the local government unit of Taytay, most especially to Mayor Joric Gacola, our trainer, Mr. March Nasino, and of course, our families who supported us throughout the entire training duration.
Thank you.